How to connect the ITOUCH 24 with the ITOUCH Muscle Toning Belt. So you'll start by taking the cables, connecting it into port A. You'll then take the other side of the cables and connecting them onto the belt. Which is normally used onto the larger muscle groups like your lower back, your abdominal, your arms, shoulders, and also your knee. How to use the belt onto your knee. First thing you'll do, you will remove the long strap from the belt. The second thing you'll do is you put a bit of sanitizer on both sides. You're then going to take the belt and you're going to strap it onto your knee. Remember, it needs to be onto the skin. So with the shorter strap, you can easily put it onto your legs, your calves, your quads, as also your arms as well. When you have it connected, the last step is choosing your mode. Recommended mode number 2, which is acupuncture. The last thing you'll do is increase your intensity over there and enjoy the session.